Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport tutorial lesson 16. So today we're going to talk about different dashboard layout type. So very first, open File, new dashboard. We're going to create our plain dashboard first. So on the right side, we have the layout option, layout type. As you can see, we have the two layout type, absolute and adaptive. So first, let's talk about the adaptive layout. So the idea for adaptive layout is once you have drag different components inside the plane, the system will automatically adapt the layout logic. So as you can see, if we drag 4 charts inside this plane, it will automatically arrange the layout. The second, let's talk about the absolute layout. So different from adaptive, once we drag the different component inside the plane, the component will be fixed at where we have dragged them. So this will be the location. So next, let's take an example at our final result. So this would be a absolute layout. As you can see, each of the components that we have made is fixed at a different position. So next, let's take a look at the adaptive layout dashboard. So this will be relatively simpler than the first one. So just keep in mind, by using absolute layout, we can achieve relatively complicated dashboard, while using adaptive layout, we can do some simple dashboard. So that will be the idea. So thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.